How to fix iPhone camera auto enhance. So you have probably noticed that pretty much every time you take a picture on your iPhone, the photo changes right in front of your eyes. This is actually due to a feature called deep fusion. So to remove this feature, let's start by going into the camera application of your iPhone. And we are going to turn the live feature on. It is located at the top right corner. As you can see on the screen, make sure that it is turned on. Let's take a photograph and let's edit this photograph. While editing, you can see there is a live feature right at the corner. Tap on it and now you can change the keyframe. As you can see, the system has automatically chosen a keyframe. Now except this chosen keyframe, all of these frames are not auto-enhanced. So you can click on any of these frames and make it your normal photo. Sometimes deep fusion does improve your photo, but it's really not most cases. Once you're done, click on the done button and there you have it. This is how you can fix the iPhone camera auto enhance. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.